Wildfires continue across most of western portions of the country, and we have several of those in California. Here's the Denali fire, which, of course, you can see the flames overshooting some of the treetops here, so very dangerous situation. And then this picture was taken from the International Space Station, flying above the Earth. You can see the smoke plumes now kind of drifting off to the east here, so kind of a different orientation, but just incredible amounts of wildfires again in the western half of the country. Now, the Montecito complex, which is near Ukiah, Northern California, that is now at about 283,000 acres, and it becomes the largest wildfire in California state history, ahead of the Thomas Fire that developed last December and January of 2017 into 2018. Now, just last week alone, we had 211 new fires, and so far this year, 2018, almost 4,000 fires, consuming almost 630,000 acres. Last year, through the entire year, about 3,600 fires, consuming 230,000 acres. So just incredible what we've already had to deal with thus far. Los Angeles, California, very hot today. In fact, we're under an excessive heat warning, but just north of L.A., elevated fire weather concerns with those red flag warnings even continuing for the Cascades. But we do have some excessive heat concerns today with some spotty severe weather developing. There is the view from Phoenix, Arizona. We're coming off of a pretty damaging dust storm that occurred last week. There's your excessive heat warnings in the southwest, where temperatures here today could be approaching 120 in the desert locales, 112 in Phoenix. Here's a look at Death Valley. It could be up to 120 even through this upcoming weekend and into early next week. Excessive heat watches now in place for the northwest, where daytime highs will be into the 90s and triple digits. Seattle tomorrow could be up to 91, and we also have some heat advisories in the northeast, where it feels like today 100 degrees in Boston, actual air temperature at 95. Along with that comes some severe weather.